Welcome to Spitzer Nissan Findlay, and here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale, and comes equipped with OnStar emergency communication system, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Buick infotainment system, comfort and convenience package, USB charging ports, heated driver and front passenger seat, Buick infotainment system with 8-inch display, electronic stability control, Sirius XM satellite radio, rear spoiler, and has less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Nissan Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.